Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn about the integrated rate law for a first order reaction. What is meant by first order reaction? A reaction whose rate depends on the reactant concentration raised to the first power is called first order reaction. Now we are going to derive the equation, rate equation for the first order equation. So the reaction A gives the product. A gives the product. According to rate law, the reaction rate can be written as rate equal to K into concentration of A to the power 1. So K is nothing but rate constant. K is nothing but rate constant, and this equation, rate equation, can be written as decrease in concentration of the reactant at change in time equal to K into dt. So next we are going to bring the K into concentration of A. Next we are going to continue, see, decrease in concentration of A by dt equal to K into concentration of A. Now we are going to bring the same term in one side, decrease in concentration of A by concentration of A equal to K into dt. So this equation is taken as 1. So the equation 1 is going to be integrate. The above equation is integrated with limits time t equal to 0 to t and concentration the initial concentration A0 to A with respect to time t. Now we are going to apply the limit and into the above equation. So integration of concentration, initial concentration to the final concentration minus d of A by A equal to K is constant, so you have to bring out by the integration. So t equal to T0 to t dt. So for the integration, dx by x is nothing but ln of x, and integration of dx equal to x. Now you are going to apply this. So dA by dt. So this can be written as minus ln of A from the limit A0 to A equal to K into t 0 to t. Now you apply this minus ln A minus of ln of A0 equal to K into t minus 0. So now minus ln of A, minus into minus become plus. So ln A0 equal to K minus t minus 0 equal to t. And then this can be rewrite as ln of A naught minus ln of concentration of A equal to kT. So next, what is this? Ln of A0 minus ln of concentration of A equal to K into T. So the based on the logarithmic law, you rewrite this equation can be rewrite as ln of A0 by concentration of A equal to kT. So the above equation is in the form of natural logarithm. We want to change into logarithm log to the base 10. Logarithm to base 10. For that you want to multiply by 2.303. Multiply by 2.303. So you want to change the natural logarithm into log to the base 10. So now become 2.303 log, the equation become log A0 by concentration of A equal to kT. And this equation can be rewrite as K equal to 2.303 by T log concentration of A0 by concentration of A. So this is the integrated rate law. Now you are going to take this equation. This equation 2 is equal to the equation of straight line. So now we are going to the equation 2 is similar as equation of straight line. The equation of straight line y equal to mx plus c. So now you write this ln A0 minus ln concentration of A equal to kT. So this y equal to mx plus c, this can be written this similar to ln A0 minus ln A equal to kT. Now you have to take the concentration of the reactant ln A, the whole thing can be multiplied by minus. So minus kT plus ln A0. So if you draw the graph between time and the initial concentration ln A value on the y axis. So this is taken for the value of y and t is taken as x, and you are going to draw, and then the ln A0, ln A0 is the intercept at y, and the slope you are going to get the my k value is the slope. So the minus negative value, so that we are going to get the negative slope. So now this can be, this is the y intercept, and then the minus k is what? The slope. So the slope value is in the form of minus, so that it can show the negative value. So these are all about the integrated law for the first order reaction. Thank you.